Hello viewers! Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a unique and attractive perfume poster or ad using Canva. It's going to be super easy and simple. By making these perfume posters, or any type of design, you can actually earn money online through freelancing websites, such as Fiverr Upwork. So, if you're new to my YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss my new Canva tutorials. Alright then, let's get started. First of all, open Canva. The dashboard will appear on your screen. Now, click on the custom size option. Here, enter the width and height according to your design. Then click on Create or Create New Design. Now a blank canvas will open in front of you. Now go to the Upload section and select your favorite image, the one you've already uploaded. I downloaded this image from Freepik, and now I'm going to select it. Now adjust the image properly. Next, click on the canvas, go to the Options panel, and select this gradient color. Then, go to the top menu and click on the color box. Click on the plus icon to add a new color. You can choose any color shade you like. This will give your design a gradient style effect. You can try different shades and select the one that looks best. I'm going to add this one to my design. Next, go to the Text tab and click on Add a Heading. Here, you can type anything you want. For example, I'm typing luxury perfume. Now, let's change the font style. Scroll through the options and pick one that suits your design. I've chosen the Cinzel decorative font because it gives a classy and elegant look. Once that's done, drag your text to the top of the page and adjust it nicely. Now go to the Elements tab, and when the search bar appears, type flower. Now go to the Graphics section and choose any image you like. I've selected this one. Reduce its size and adjust it in place. Next, go back to the Elements tab again and type flower bouquet in the search bar. Now go to the Graphics section and choose the one you like. I've selected this one. Now, reduce its size a bit. Rotate it slightly, and place it in front of the first image. Now go to the Text tab and click on Add a Heading. Type your text here. Then drag it to the desired position, reduce its size. Then click on it again to change the font style. Choose a nice and attractive font. I've selected Cinzel Decorative. Now go to the Text tab again and click on Add a Heading. Add your text. Then click on this option to change the font style. I've selected Lotto. Now, type the letter L from the keyboard. A line will appear on the page. Change the style of the line and adjust it as needed. Now go back to the Elements tab and type light in the search bar. Then go to the Graphics section, scroll down, and select this image. Next, make the image smaller place it in the corner of your main image to give it a bright look. Now select this image. Then go to the color option and choose white. After that, go to Position. Click on Layers and place this image below the perfume bottle image. This will give the overall image a brighter look. Now go back to the Elements tab and type butterfly in the search bar. Then go to the Graphics section, scroll down, and choose any image you like. I selected this one. Click on the image, go to the Edit option. Then select the duotone effect. From there, choose this effect and change both colors to white. Now go to the Text tab again and click on Add a Heading. Type your text here. Then open the font style options and choose any font you like. Now adjust the text to fit your design. Now select this image and go to the Edit option. Click on the Shadow section and choose the Curved option. Then adjust the distance, curve, and intensity settings as needed. Repeat the same process for the other image as well. And here is the final result. Please like, share, and subscribe for more Canva tutorials.